Hello, good morning. This is Don again. This is an experimental tape. I would like to draw your attention this time to my website for my books, donmartinbooks.com. I would like to encourage you to go there. I would like to encourage you to buy plenty of those books. You might not like any of those books, but the question that you have to ask yourself, what if I do like them? Then I've got them right here. I don't have to go out and get any if I like them, especially if I like them a whole lot. Anyway, it's donmartinbooks.com. Um, a playlist here on this YouTube website. There's a place right over here where you can subscribe if you want to. But at any rate, hit up the website, like it, like this YouTube tape if you want to. Subscribe to any or all of them and leave me a comment. That's really not a lot to ask, is it? I, I didn't think so. Thanks.